Okay, let's start now. So we'll start from here today. That is, trees are. Trees are page number 68. So first part we have finished. This is second part. Okay, second part of God's greatest gift. Now, trees are a valuable. Trees are invaluable for another reason too. Means too much of value. Okay, invaluable. Trees are invaluable for another reason too. They supply us with oxygen without which no life would be possible. Means trees are very important for another reason. Okay, that is, without trees life is impossible. Now, there is oxygen in the air, but it is being constantly used up and turned into carbon dioxide, that is CO2 chemical formula. When animal breathe and things burn, oxygen is consumed and carbon dioxide is produced. The green leaves of the trees absorb this carbon dioxide. When animals breathe and things burn, oxygen is taken, consumed, and carbon dioxide is given. The green leaves of the trees absorb this carbon dioxide. With the help of sunlight, they break this into carbon and oxygen. Carbon is used by green leaves to make starch, and whereas oxygen is released in the air, which we use. Okay, what is starch? Starch is a food substance that provide the body with heat and energy. Starch is a substance which provide, okay, a food substance which provide the body with heat and energy. Okay, now, thus the oxygen used up in burning and breathing is replaced in the atmosphere. It is replaced in the atmosphere. But for this for this animals and human beings would soon die due to the lack of oxygen. Okay, thus oxygen used up in burning and breathing is replaced in the atmosphere. It is oxygen that is used, that is again replaced in the atmosphere. But due to this, animals would soon die due to lack of oxygen. If there is a lack of oxygen, we will die. The starch produced by green leaves serve as food for animal. Okay, the starch produced by green leaves, they serve as food for animals. But for this, all animals would die. Animals get all their food from plants by eating animals. Animals also get their food from plants or by eating animals that feed on plants, that eat the plants. Okay. Trees also help to cool the atmosphere. Leaves of the trees give out a lot of water vapor. It helps to cool the air. When rain clouds passes through the cool air, they condenses. Condenses means they change from vapor to water. Condense means changing from vapor to water. They condenses and comes down as rain. Vapor will change in water and they will come down as rain. That is why there is a great rainfall over places where we have thick forest. Thick forest means dense forest, many forest, dense forest. Our earth has a fine layer of soil at the surface. All plants grow in this soil only. Under the soil there are rocks of various kinds. Now, nature takes millions of years to form an inch of soil in thickness. But sometimes a single heavy shower, means rain, can wash it off. Such a thing doesn't happen in places where we have forest or lot of trees. Why? Because the roots of the trees hold the soil so tightly together and protect it from being washed away. So roots of the trees hold the soil, so they will not be washed away soil when there is rain or shower. We value trees only for their usefulness, but also their beauty. But also for the beauty. Trees refresh the eyes and bring peace to the mind. That is why many ancient rishis were attached to the forest. They lived in their forest home or asramas in the company of nature. It was in this asrama that they taught their people. When Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore started a school, he also chose a place full of trees, that is called Shantiniketan, the home of peace. There was a time when our hills, mountains, and every plains were covered with huge forests. As the population grew, trees were cut down to meet the demand for fuel and timber. Okay. Now, timber means wood prepared for building, wood that is needed for building, fuel that we burn. Thus, our wonderful forest came to be destroyed. Now, we don't have enough trees to give us firewood even. So people are forced to burn cattle dung. Cattle dung means the cow dung. Cattle dung, which ought to be served for use as manure. Okay, we are burning it cattle dung, but it serves as a good manure. So cattle dung is very necessary to maintain the fertility of the soil. Chemical fertilizers alone can't help. In many areas, only chemical fertilizers used. The crop yield have started falling. Means the production has yield means the outcome, the production, total amount of production has fallen down because of the only chemical fertilizers. If manure is used, it will be more fruitful. There is another grave means great danger. Now we don't have enough trees to treat all the carbon dioxide that is being produced in our home, factories and by our vehicles. The air remain now because there is no enough trees are cut down, so carbon dioxide is cannot be exchanged with oxygen totally. Now the air remain polluted, so the air remains polluted and it can give number of dangerous or diseases. Okay, so we are falling sick frequently because of polluted air. Trees are man's best friend. They are God's greatest gift to man. They are the invaluable wealth of nation. It is our sacred duty. It is our duty to, sacred means pure. It is our pure duty, only duty, to protect them from and look after them well. For every tree that we cut down, we must plant at least 2 new trees. When you cut down tree, two new trees should be planted and take care of them. If you don't care for trees, they too will stop caring for us, and then imagine what will happen. So this chapter has finished. So these are the question answers you can do. Otherwise, I may also give the question answers. Okay, and this hots, give a cross, no need to do, will not do the hots. You can do this one. Complete each sentence with the correct form of word. You do this one in copy. Smoke is very harm to health. You have to change the form of word. Harm will become smoke is very harmful for health. She has made a wonder success in his business. He has made a wonder will become wonderful success. In add to wood, trees give many other material. In addition to, okay, like this you will change and you will write. Match the meaning. Meaning you have to match it and you can do it. Numbers are written. Match the underlined word in each sentence with the word in the box which is merely same meaning. Okay. And the underlined word you have to use a word with same meaning from the box. She used up all the potatoes to make chips. That means used up means see finished. So you will write here she finished, FINISHED. She finished up all the potatoes to make chips. Do do your shoelace or you may trip and fall. Do means tie up. Tie up your shoelace or you may fall. Without oxygen, life would be out of question. Life would be out of question means impossible. Okay. You need warm clothes to protect means you against you need warm clothes to save. Okay. Same way you will do all this till this much you have to do. Okay. Thank you.